Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, got the Stanley 80-watt hot glue gun. Takes full sticks. Does not take the mini sticks, as you will see. All temperature, full. Make sure you get full sticks. You get these are the half size. I opted these. This way I have less changing over of the glue sticks. But let's check it out. All right, let's open this up. Check it out. There. Oh, look at that. Instructions, you know what we do with those. There. The cord seems like a 6 foot cord. I held it out, extended it out my arms almost 5.5, maybe 6 feet. But the outlets are pretty far. So I'll be utilizing that. There we go. Plug her in. Should already be on. Oh, look at that. Built-in stand right there. That's nice. I like that. And I got some mini glue gun refills here. Non-ceramic, blah, blah, blah. Should work. Let's take one out and see if it'll work. Should. Oh, that's mini. I might not even have any. Fit that. Let me see. No. I don't. Well, that just stinks on ice, don't it? Guess I'll be I'm looking for some glue sticks. All right, got some regular glue sticks. All right. Turn that on. All temperature, so I can use it on low. There we go. There. Okay. Now just wait for it to heat up. Until it heats up, I promised my wife I would repair our lampshade. The little prongs that hold the frame in ripped out. So let's do this. We'll double. There we go. All right. Let's get the glue in. When am I going to learn not to record when it's about to turn an hour? Okay. That should do it. Put some on either side of the frame, some in the middle, hold it together. That should do it. Ooh, I better do the top part. That seems to be coming out too. There. Glue turns white, being clear. Now it's cooled off. All right. Well, kids, this is not the type of glue you put on your hand and peel off. kind of hot. All right, did its job. When I had to correct it, it was on there. It wasn't fully dried either. It was on there. So definitely did its job. Took a little longer than I think it should have to heat up. I'll put the exact time, like I said, down below, or maybe on the screen. So not too bad. I did have it on high also. There we go, the Stanley 80-watt glue gun. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.